Alright you guys, so let's check out how to make this really cool cartoon 3D extruded bevel text effect here in Illustrator. Now this originally had been inspired from this cute composition and I don't even know who did this. But if it happened that you know the awesome designer that created this, just leave a comment in the description so I can pin that. So first we're going to start with a text. For example, I'm going to type in the letter A and choose a font. Probably going to go with the Neue Haas Grotesque. Yes, of course. And I'm going to choose the black. Right click on the font, select create outlines. And I'm also going to recolor it to something gray. So from here, we're going to go here to the 3D materials. And I'm going to select the extrude. Here you can extrude the depth. And I'm going to rotate it and arrange it however you like. And we're also going to create that really interesting bevel. So let's go to the bevel, activate that. And here we're going to switch it to square outline. And here you can increase or decrease the width. I'm going to decrease it something like this. And you also got the height. I gotta increase it all the way because it looks pretty cool this way, I guess. Alright, so you might ask how to transform this into vectors because you got the 3D classics that basically does that. Well, the answer is simple. All you need to do is scroll all the way down here. And here we got an option here with expand as wireframes. So I'm gonna click it and take a look at that. Now there's a couple of workarounds you can do here to clean this up, but in my situation, I'm just gonna go with the shape builder tool. I know it's nasty and it's kind of dirty to use it, but I'm just gonna go with this. And I'm gonna draw and fuse them together, something like that. Now there's like another option where you don't use the shape builder tool, but that's going to be a little bit more complicated and tricky and probably going to take up a good amount of hour to, So, I'm just going to do it this way because it's just like faster. And by the way, there's also solutions where you can clean up these paths, which are pretty much unnecessary. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm also going to go and add some color to the fill. And let's see what we got. I'm going to right click on group all and I'm going to select the main shapes. So I'm going to go and speed this up. And I selected everything. And if I drag it, you can see we got like unnecessary stuff here. So I'm going to right click on this group. And I'm going to select these guys and press on delete. So now let's talk about the unnecessary paths, for example, here. So this is going to be pretty easy to work with because they're like just straight lines. So you can go to the object, path, and select simplify. So if I press and hold shift, you can see it just removed most of it. And let's see, I'm going to do this manually actually. We got a little bit of problem here. So I'm going to select the pen tool, press the minus, and here you can click on this guy. So it is going to remove that and fix the problems manually, but mainly you can do straight lines with simplify. I'm going to repeat it with this one. This is horrible. Object, path, simplify. There you go. And about least all you need to do is just recolor it, go to the fill, and switch up the colors. And pretty much that's how I make this a really nice bevel text here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.